Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make online store using your Shopify. So to do that, you have to just open your browser and search here as Shopify. So here you can see, and you have to click at the first account, like first here. So it's asking for a mail. For here, I am using a temporary mail. So to make my temporary mail, I will use this site, as you can see. So let's duplicate it first because this mail is important for me. So we can just reload this. So as you can see, we have to just reload one time. So we have to just turn it off. So here you can see we have to just take a name like here domain name as Google. So we have to just copy it and here to paste it here. So we'll click on 3-day trial. So here you can see we have option. I'm just starting. Okay. So we have to do next. So here we have a option to create an online store, and we have here social media do next. So here there's a selling challenge as Instagram, TikTok, and we can do next. So here is what we want to sell first. Uh, buy I buy product or myself drop shipping product. Okay, so we can do is or in just do service. No, we can just do this. Okay, so do next. So as you can see, it's saying to create an ID. So we can continue it mail. So as you can see, we have to paste our mail, and here we have to create a password. So let's create a password. So we have to create a Shopify ID. So here you can see Shopify has created our ID. So here is saying, are you already selling? No, I'm not. I'm selling on this one. Okay, so we can just do yes. Okay, so here we have to select as here. So current revenue as we have started, so we have $0. So just in we can do it clothing. We can do next. Okay. So here is asking to add your address. So here we can just select a region. So let's select our region as USA. So I'm creating here fake USA address. Okay. So as you can see, we can select as United States. So it's look like it's already located in Singapore. So, so as you can see, we have our US address to just copy this as you can see. So here we have to copy our address. Apartment it's not given, so we will go to a town or city. So what's town and city it's have taken automatically, so we can just do our apartment as here you can see. So here to add our so we can just add here our apartment as we can just write as A99. Okay, so this is our apartment. So we have to add our phone number. So to add it to just where is phone number? Phone number is not there. So, mm, so here we can add a number. Just copy this. So here we can just go and paste it here. So as you can see, we can just enter store. So enter a 10-digit number, enter first name, second name. Okay. So I'm entering my first name, as you can write as Sarah. Check. So we can just do 10-digit number. So we can add like enter my store. So you can see our store is now created. So here you can see, as you can see, our store has been created. So this how you can just create online store. So if you want to add a product, let's add our first product. So here we can go to product and we can just add your product. So here you can see you have to just add. So let's add a cloth. Okay, woman cloth, woman t-shirt. Okay, so you can just search over Google. Okay, so you have to just create a t-shirt for woman gender. Just okay. So here you can see we have a t-shirt. So we can just download this image and just copy this image, and here we can just paste it. So we have to save this image. So here we have to just paste it. So as you can see, it's there. So we have to just set the price. So let's set this price as $29 compared to like $99. Cost of item cost me like a $9. So it's just 9% profit. Track order, no. Tracked physical weight is about like a gram. So let's do as 200 gram and save it. So so go back. So as you can see, our product is ready. We can just preview in our online store. So you can see the version like product is ready. So this is how you can just create a online store with Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.